Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Okay, so let's see first what has been new here on the pull requests. Okay, so we got El Tio Rata has made the review for the Spanish translation changes. Yeah. Okay, this is what I thought, that there will be a lot of edits made to Spanish which are wrong. As you can see here, reverts. Oh, that's a lot. I don't think that's a problem. I think that is no problem because German text is longer. I suspect that there's no problem because DE text. It's a lot of reverts. Yeah. Yes, this needs to be an isolated change for all languages and all strings that refer to fanatism. Yeah, so out of 179 corrections, there were over 70, 80 or so that need to be reverted. So like almost half, 40% maybe. Yeah. So yeah, just using a machine to translate, it's risky, right? Yeah, that's why I can't say if it's right or wrong, because machine translations they don't understand the context necessarily, right? Okay. Okay, what do we have here? Textures and mapped images. Let's see. W3D models, not texturing. What is it called? It says unused textures, which my understanding would mean texture files that exist on this but are referenced nowhere. Well, they are W3D files that are in CSV, but I didn't find any references to them. I think the file would be better. Yes, I suggest create a unused textures.txt and unused models.txt or unused W3D. These are W3D file models, and if so, then W3D files with these names should exist. Huh? These are W3D file models, and if so, then W3D files with these names should exist. I don't understand. I don't understand this statement. The txt file says invalid textures, but this let's look at this file. Where is it? Invalid textures in any files. Here. Okay, so let's, for example, look at this guy. Yeah? Good. So there's a model here. Model. Okay. TRD. Okay. Okay, let's copy this guy here. So for example, we have let's remove the white space. All these are models. All these are models. I would prefer put these into a invalid shit. I suggest put these into a invalid W3D or invalid model, invalid models in any files. Maybe then we should also rename this to models, unused models. Oh, there's another comment 2 minutes ago. Okay. For example, CB hanger 02 with incorrect letter composition. Yeah, okay, but it's still a model. It's not a texture. All these are models. Let me clarify this once more. All these are models, not textures. Why is this list so much longer than the other? The edited list only scan the edited folder, not the content of files that exist in the original folder. The game files edited builds on top of the original. Can you perhaps code it? Can you perhaps program it in a way that it does not show false errors by considering the original underlying files? I don't know why he has marked this as resolved. Has he fixed that? No, he hasn't. I don't know. I think it's very unlikely that this image is unused. The chevron is certainly used on control bar buttons. I think what you see in game is chevron 3L, meaning the ones with the big L suffix and not the small. You can view TGA files with a suitable extension for Visual Studio Code. What do you see? Game is chevron 3L. Okay, I see. So there's like another variant. Okay. Okay, that's fair. Let's see. So if we go our textures, SS user interface 01. Ah yeah, okay, there are bigger ones. Okay, that's fair. Okay, that is a fair assumption. Okay, so let's look at this file here once more. Unused mapped images, right? Yeah. Okay, but that's still, yeah. I still think that there are many entries here which are actually used, but they don't show up because they are assembled. Maybe not. So I think it will be risky. It will be risky to remove entries here. Like you may believe they are unused, but they are used somewhere, and then yeah, it will break in game because the mapped image is no longer there. So I think here removing things you need to tread very carefully. Yeah. Can put this on resolve. Good, then I think we're done here. Okay, is there anything else? No. Good, then let's get back to code. And so what I would like to do here is a couple things. First, I would like to rename I would like to rename all these guys here to M binary. That's the typical naming convention in C++ for member variables, M underscore, and not variable and underscore at the end. Like it will have distinct disadvantages to have the underscore at the end, because if you type, for example, like you type like object and then pointer, the autocomplete will show you things as you type. So if you type object pointer M underscore, it will show you all the members, right? But if you have this underscore at the end, then, well, it was still, okay, no, that's a bad example. That's a bad example. I actually don't know what the implications are, but it looks unholy. I can say that. Also, this is weird. Why is the warnings up here? Let's put it down here. The monkey work. Monkey work. Okay, also we don't need this comment. I mean, let's get us. Don't need such comments. Okay, so I got that. Any other leftover members? Don't think so. Whoa, what happened here? Oh, I see. Open. Probably need to git ignore. Can we remove all these guys here? Let me see. Yeah. Hold on, what happened here? Oh, for some reason. It has changed. Okay, that's not good. Why does it apply formatting here in this regard? Use tab never. Okay, how about we remove all this and just keep that? I don't know if that works. Oof. Can we do Clang format preserve original? Clang format Do not change format. Clang format. Okay, we need to ask ChatGPT, I think. With Clang format, is there a setting to not apply a formatting for anything other than those settings that we explicitly specify? Does not provide, oh boy. Based on style. Not inherent. Not inherent. Okay. Then let's take this. Based on style none. Let's see if that works. Okay, that seems to work. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then we can also, oops, remove that. Okay, that looks good. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Change or change member variables or rename member variables from post underscore suffix to m underscore to from underscore suffix to m underscore prefix. There we go. Class member. Okay. There we go. Okay, next change. I think we can remove the try function, try catch blocks that were placed somewhere. I think in the parser. Yeah, here. Like, what the hell? This one is not throwing, or is it? I'm not aware that this throws. It returns null pointer. And this one has an Error return. It's not throwing. Yeah, so builds. Yeah, so I think we simply remove this try catch here for starters. There we go. Okay, and here as well. Parser init. Yeah, so this one is also yeah. Okay. Do we have any other try? Here. Try. Oof. This whole thing is in a try catch. What the hell? Okay, this one can throw. How did we do it in unassemblies? Let me see. Main. Here we have a try result, pass result, yeah. So the try catch should be limited to the scope here. Yeah. Okay. So we make a result here. Here results, and then we take this try here, and put it here, and then we take this guy, and we put it here, and then try catch. Results, catch. Yeah. Good, and then we can take this whole block and lower the indentation, and that's it. Okay. Then this should compile now. Okay. It should also run. Good. Then so that is remove unnecessary or superfluous try catch blocks. Okay. The next step is so in the CMake list, somehow he put the stuff into two different thingies here, which I think is not necessary. So I would say we do this seems to be very unnecessary here. Link libraries public. Okay, so I think we put this here. We comment out this one. We comment out this one. So I really don't know why this is kept separate. I would say we just put it all together. Put this together. Include directory. For this here. Analyzer here, public. Goods. It's the privates. Privates. Okay, do we have any remnants of MachO core? Yes, we do. Output. Okay, let's remove this here. Okay. Well, let's see if that compiles. Here. Okay, it does compile. That's good. And now everything is here in this MachO analyzer. Yeah. There's no need that we spread it across 2 libraries. Doesn't make sense. It's fine to just have it in one executable. Done. Okay. Then we say let's remove the comments here. There we go. I don't know why he put it here into this bin folder, because then there's no separation between release and debug. That's not good. I think this should be removed as well. I think this should be removed here. Single configuration builds. I don't understand what this is for. Let's make this a separate change. So for now we just have this. I don't know why it's so complicated here. Seems really not necessary. Okay, so basically what we do here is merge MachO core and MachO analyzer into one. Okay, And then let's make the next change. We remove this one here. We remove this. And I think we can remove all this stuff here. This here. Why is it set output directory for multi-configuration builds? Don't think that's necessary. I think, I don't know. It seems not necessary. Oops. Okay, let's build this. Let's see if it works. Let's remove this lib folder and this bin folder. So basically what should happen is it should simply put the executable in the debug folder or in the release folder or wherever it's built. All right. Okay, while it compiles, we can take another look at this here because I think there have been updates. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, that has compiled, and now that should mean that the executable is simply in here, yeah, which I think makes much more sense. Then I think we can also delete this one here. Okay, let's delete that and that and that. And just like that, we simplify the CMake lists a lot. It's a lot cleaner now. Less junk in there. Yeah. Less code is always better than more code. So this is remove unnecessary definitions in CMake lists. Jesus. Can also remove this here. Okay, good. Then let's commit that. Next. There was another thing I saw in the main file here. It uses this unholy syntax, but I think the syntax we use here is much better. Oh, sorry. It uses this weird magic syntax here, which is, yeah, really, really bad. So I would say we do add options main. Options. Da 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 da. I think that's better syntax, but it doesn't compile. What did we do wrong? It needs to be a list, right? There we go. Okay, then we can rename this to submit this as change cxx opts cxx opts syntax. Okay, is there anything else we would like to fix? I'm wondering, like, if I add a new function now here, voids function. Okay, it doesn't, okay. So I can write at my own my own discretion. I'm not a fan of this. How about we go to So there should be, oof. Brace wrapping. Let's copy this here, put it here. Let's see. That did nothing. Brace wrapping. How do we enable brace wrapping in Clang formats? Well, clearly it's not true. Clang format does not apply this stuff. So clearly this thing doesn't work. There seems to be something else that is required. Function. Yeah, why does it not work? Hmm. 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 Why does this not work? Hmm. Let's brace wrapping does not apply with the following configuration. What is missing? And we just take all this. Based on style none, sets all settings to undefined, including indentation and other general formatting rules. Cling format relies on a base style to provide default values for settings not explicitly specified without these certain features, including space. Brace wrapping may not behave. To resolve this, you should either use a predefined base style as a starting point, fully define additional relevant settings such as column, limit, indent width. Indentation width, column width. Why is this necessary? I don't understand. It's retarded. Okay, let's just go with it for now. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens. Right? Okay, what could be the problem? So it says that this here is a problem, yeah? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, well then the question is which settings does brace wrapping rely upon? Indent, tab, column. Jesus. Okay, that's getting complicated, isn't it? Okay, how about shit. How about we apply this formatting here? But we make a pass on it. Let's take this guy here. Standards. Oh, actually, this is sorted by language CPP LL LM. Okay, let's make the column limit. Let's make this 999. Include stdafx. Left. Reflow comments. Okay, let's see if that formatting looks okay or not. Let's see. Oof. No, I don't like it. No. No. Okay, so if we put this one here back based on style, put that here based on style, based on style penalty. Okay, what does it do now? Okay, then how about I don't like Clang formats. That's stupid. Can we somehow avoid like how can we leave ternary operators? How can we leave ternary operators unformatted? Allow short expressions on a single line. Minimize reformatting. Column line 0. Okay. Column line. Column, what was it? Column limit 0, yeah. Okay, let's set it to 0. Let's see what happens. Uh-huh. Okay, that's cool. But it made a big mess here. Here on this one. Allow short expressions on a single line. Let's ask. I have this code. How can we prevent Clang format 10.0 from from, how can we prevent Clang from a 10-0 from formatting, from moving all, from formatting this. No. I want this configuration to be in Clang minus format file, not comments exclusion. Ugh, as horrible suggestions here. As a block to be ignored. Okay, I can macro block begin. Yeah, that's stupid, yeah. So basically we don't want this to like spread in one line because that is unholy, right? But this looks good, yeah. The rest looks good. Actually, is it? Yeah. Yeah. This is good. Always break before multi-line strings. Can we comment this out like so? Penalty return type. Yeah, so the question is, how do we prevent breaking? How do we prevent this going all onto one line? How do we do that? There must be some way. What about this? Let's make a test here. Okay, this one has not changed. Really? Not much. Just the order up here. Yeah. Well. Yeah, how do we do that? I don't know. I don't know. I guess what we can do is we can comment out a whole big block and see if it has any effect on this. Nope. Let's say always break template declaration. Let's comment out the next stuff. No. What about this? No. This. No. Oh man. Then next, let's take these guys. Aha. There we go. Keep empty lines at the start of blocks. Let's see this. Okay. Indent case labels. Nope. Disable format. Was it this one then? Aha. It's disable format. Disable format. Okay, that explains why. Okay. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT another question. How can we ignore formatting? Formatting of array lists or initializer lists. Bin pack arguments. Okay. Allow all constructor initializers on next line. True. false. Bin peg arguments. False, false. Break before braces. Custom. Brace wrapping after function. True. Okay. I did not mean constructor initializer lists, but actual initializer lists in braces. Always break before multi-line strings. False. I think we said that, yeah. Okay, let's set it to false. Man. Column limit 0, break before braces. Break before braces. Custom. Attach. That didn't help. Okay, let's set this to attach then. Break before braces. Break before braces, attach. Doesn't work. Does not work. Yeah. I don't like it. Okay, how about Okay, how about we set how about we simply set disable format true. There we go. Disable format true. And just like that, it won't change the formats. But it will change here the sorting, but I think this means that we can spaces in square brackets. Sort includes true. Okay, so how about that? Okay, so the only thing it will do is sort the headers. Yeah, other than that, it will do nothing. Okay, I guess it's fine then. Okay, let's clean this up here. Language CPP. Standards. There we go. Okay, then this means that we will manually fix formatting, like remove the tab here and here, and yeah, just clean up manually. Good. Good. Here we need to clean up the white space. Ta-da, 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 okay. Ta-da. Okay. There we go. Then we clean up here. Here. There we go. Okay. Save all. Let me double check. So here, okay. Okay, then we say manually clean up formatting and auto sort includes. Did it compile? I don't know why it now does a recompile. Okay, good. So that seems to work. Then we stage this menu cleanup, formatting, and auto sort includes. Commit. There we go. Okay, let's push this branch. There we go. Do we need to do any other cleanups? I don't think so. Got the most important stuff done, I think. Yeah. Good. Then next step, we will next step we will yeah, we will try to figure out what information we can pull. Right, so let's take a look at what it does right now. So it will get MachO symbol, section, and segments. Parse symbol, section, segments. What is this? DYLD. What is that? To do implementation for parsing DYLD info if needed. Okay, I don't know what that means. Parse symbols. Push back, make unique symbols. Yeah. Oof, uses a lot of auto here. Oof. 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 How about we change those data structures here? So this is fine. This has to be unique pointer, but here I think this, let's remove this. Yeah. Then we also change this. And then so M symbols. Let's see. Push back. So it says make unique. Oof. Push back. Yeah. How about we do an M-place back? M-place back. Sim. There we go. M-place, M-place. There we go. Yeah. Okay. And then we say here, MachO symbols. Then we do M symbols. Dot reserve. Reserve. We do MachO. What is this? IT symbols. Let's call this symbol section segments. Hey, I'm not a fan of these abbreviations and short things. It makes it harder to read. Like, just write the whole word, not the word. And here, so we have symbols. Some tapped in symbols. What is that there? Oof, it constructs a vector. Oof. Does it not? Huh? No, that is binary IT symbols. No, this one returns symbols. Okay, so I think what we can do here is symbols dot size. Let's see, sections, yeah, segments. MachO segments. Ta-da. So here we have sections, segments, reserve, segments, sections, symbols. Okay. Sections and place back, sections. Segment command. Why don't we, can we do it here? Can we put this in there? Is this correct? I think that's a much better way of writing this instead of auto. Const. Symbol. Hä? For binary? What the hell is that? What is it? Why is it iterating binary? What? How is that a thing? I'm confused. How is it iterating a... Huh? I'm confused. I would put a breakpoint here. That's weird. Okay, so segments. Okay, let's first fix the name here. Segments. Section. Symbol. Good. So. And so this is no longer a pointer, but it is an object. There we go. Ugh. So this is segment. Yeah. Section. And symbol. MachO parser. Binary info. Please don't use so much auto. It's not good for health. MachO symbol. MachO section. MachO segments. MachO symbol. MachO section. MachO segments. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see if that compiles. For starters. It does. Okay, let's see here. I'm curious what is going on here with this for loop. That looks very strange. Very strange. So. Oh, there's binaries too. What the hell? What the hell? Huh. Huh. It's two binaries. No, that is what the hell? But it's a unique pointer. Huh. Okay. So essentially it will go here, reserve 0. And here it will reserve 37,000. No, 370,000. That's interesting. Very interesting. Okay, then that means we need to have a symbols dot symbols dot size plus that sections and that segments. Actually, how about we do two pass for size t reserve size 0. Then we do reserve size plus equal this. And then we do reserve segments dot reserve size there we go. Maybe put it in the scope. There we go. And so we'll put that here as well and here as well. And the only difference would be sections. Here would be symbols. And here it would be symbols. And here it would be sections. All right, and then we can remove this here and this. And then we go here. And so what will this fed binary begin IT binaries? Oof. Binaries T vector binary. Vector binary. So I guess what does it iterate? Binaries T. I wonder if this really should be a reference. Huh. Seems so weird. That's weird. Good. Then we have all this. Good. All right. Then let's see if that still works. Yeah. Memory is growing really high. 500 megabytes, 600, 700, 800. Holy shit. 1 gigabyte. Holy shit. 1.3. 1.3 gigabytes. Jesus Christ. How is this so big? How is this application so big? 1.3 gigabytes. Jesus. Okay, well, it's not very space efficient. That's fine. Good. Then I think then this change will be, so we remove the unique pointer here. And so this analyze binary, it returns a copy, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what we did is remove unique pointer from vectors and reduce or replace auto with replace some auto with explicit types in MachO parser, right? MachO parser in MachO parser. There we go. Okay, cool. Then, yeah, we have cleaned up a lot of stuff. Then next step, I would say we try to figure out what else we can get from leaf. Yeah. 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 I don't know why this is returning a string. Could just be returning const char. Like this. Yeah, I would say that these guys should be returning const char. Or SCD string view. Good. Then, yeah, let's. What is this here? Imported, exported. Huh. Let's put this here on next lines. Good. Anything else? I don't think so. Let's take a break here. It has been 2 hours plus. Okay, the next session we will look a bit into Leaf, what else we can get there. And yeah, I mean, in ideal case, we would get all the starter data from Leaf. And then we could use it to build all the different information we need, like functions and enums and files and so on. Yeah, I mean, there's 370,000 symbols. Is that a lot? 370,000 symbols. Is that a lot? Maybe. I don't know. Hard to say. Certainly more than 0, so that's good. All right, I will take a break here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.